Hey guys, I'm Sonika. It's time to improve your flash photography and I'm gonna give you 10 tips today to do that. So let's get started. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's photography session, I'm gonna give you 10 tips on how you can get more confidence in using your external flash. And using a flash along with your camera is a skill I guess every photographer needs to master. So let's see how to perfect it. The manual mode of the flash can be a little tricky to master, so you can use the TTL or ITTL mode of the flash. It's kinda like an auto mode for your flash, where the flash calculates the distance between the flash and the subject and current lighting situation and determines the correct flash power needed to light the subject. Most flashes allow me to increase and decrease the flash exposure, that is the power of the flash, and it allows me to adjust this in 0.3 stops. Means I can increase and decrease my flash power by 0.3 stops. So I can press this button and move the dial to control the flash power. The fastest shutter speed that my camera sets while using the flash is called the flash sync speed. So my camera Nikon D5300 has the flash sync speed of 1/200 seconds, meaning I cannot raise my shutter speed more than 1/200 while turning on the flash. So if I'm shooting indoors, this is fine, but if I'm outdoors, this can be a problem, and I may get a fully blown out image or an overexposed image. Because the powerful flash is going to compete with an even more powerful sun. Some flashes and cameras have high speed sync, meaning I can raise my shutter speed more than 1/200, but my camera does not have that. It's a limitation for me. So for me, I will have to either increase my f number, so that will affect the depth of my photo a lot, or I can diffuse my flash to that. So check before buying your flash and camera if they have high speed sync compatibility. If I adjust my shutter speed, it will only affect the ambient light in my photo and will not have effect on the flash power. But by changing aperture, I can influence the flash power in some way. If my scene is overexposed, then I can increase my f number, and if my scene is underexposed, I can decrease my f number, and so on. And now if I use my flash at full power for a long period of time, my recycling time is going to increase, plus it will kill my flash batteries and it will wear out fast. So to correct that, I can increase my ISO. So ISO will add light to the image, so I need not keep my flash at full power and I can operate for a longer period of time. When you are indoors, pointing the flashlight directly to your subject may not look very good, as it may give a flat lighting to your subject. It's best to bounce the light against another surface like a white colored wall or reflective card on your flash. This will make your light source bigger, and also softer light will hit the subject. Just like bouncing, diffusion can increase the size of your light source and help the light spread more evenly, more softer. The bigger the size of the diffuser, more soft will be the light and it will spread more evenly. So this diffuser can work for macro or small products, but this one will work better for bigger subjects like portraits. Flash gels can be attached to your flash to add a colored tint to the light that it emits. This will not only make my shot more creative, but it will help me match the color of my flashlight to the ambient light. Meaning, if in my room I have yellow or orange colored lights and I'm using my flashlight which is white, so the effect may be a little unnatural. So it is better to use a color gel and change its color to orange. Or you can make color gels at home using some plastic and sketch pens. Using my hot shoe flash directly on my camera can be a little limiting, because I can either directly use it on my subject or bounce it off any surface nearby. Using a trigger for your flash will allow you to control the flash remotely. This will allow me to place my flashlight literally anywhere and I can remotely control it, so I can experiment with different lighting patterns and modifiers. If you are going to use multiple flashes, it makes sense to set them up one at a time, so that you know which part each flash is lighting. So in case if something goes wrong, so you know which flash is causing problems and you don't have to reset all the flashes again. I know I told you to use the TTL mode of the flash, but you use that if you are in a hurry or if you are confused. But if you are practicing and you have ample time, then it makes sense to use the manual mode. Also, this will give you a better sense of the auto mode when you are actually using it in a shoot or when you are in a hurry. Also, it is better to practice with inanimate objects like toys or products first. You may even ask your friends or family members to assist you, but they will have to be patient. Or else you may try self-portraits like me. Now, the most important thing you can do to master your flash is to experiment and learn how everything works together. And another thing that really worked for me was to read my flash manual thoroughly. It really helps, guys. And I hope my video helped you master your flash. In case it did, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous flash photography tutorial. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.